Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to disable the option that other person can find me on X by using our email address. So we are going to disable this option and we are going to restrict person. Now you see setting and support, and then you see setting and privacy. So click on it, and then you see multiple options. So we are in setting, and then you see privacy and safety. So click on it. So we are in privacy and safety, and then you see option discoverability and contact. So click on it. So we are in discoverability and contact option. Now you see let others find you by your email address. People who have your email address will be able to connect with you on X. Now you see this option is enabled. So we are going to disable it. Now click on it. Now you see this option disable. After that, if any user or other person have my email address but cannot find me on X because we disable this option. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.